We're going to put the battery on a tender. Let's get this thing fired up, and then we will see what we can do in a couple of hours after it's been on the tender, and hopefully that resolves any issues, and then we can go into actually programming the keys and getting it to fire up. Normally this would be, even with the keys not working, this would fire up to give me my radio. It's not doing that, so it's telling me this car does not have enough juice to fire up even that. So we're gonna go and fire up this bad puppy and get it working. So I'm gonna shut this down, and we'll be back with you guys in a bit. Once we get the battery charged up, we'll continue on. So thank you for watching. We're gonna have to get the battery charged up, and we'll be back and we'll film the continuation of this. But at least now we've got the new wiring loom in. You saw what a pain in the butt that was. And yeah, you're learning more about Jaguars and what you cannot do with your car. So this stuff is simple in a way that, yeah, I've got a scanner. I can do most of it myself, but there may be a point where I have to pull the BCM out, and that may have to go off to a professional to get recoded if we can't get it started up. But we'll find out. Just got to get those batteries charged up. So for now, ciao.